September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Embrace Wellness. My name is Sweetie Addo and in today's video I am going to introduce you to MCaffeine products. These products are infused with 100% Arabica coffee, water lily and seaweed, which is a perfect solution for cellulite, dark spot, acne, dull and tan skin, and it also removes blackheads. These products are also paraben, SLS and cruelty free, and the fragrance is heavenly. It smells like coffee and works magic on your skin. Now if you really want to know why I fell for these products, please continue to watch this video, and if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So without further ado, let's get started. Naked and Raw Coffee Face Wash is enriched with pure Arabica coffee and exotic white water lily. It removes excess oil and dirt and gets rid of dullness from face. The skin purifying agents like white water lily regenerate skin cells and reduces fine line, while caffeine present in coffee is rich in antioxidants that even tone the skin and reduce puffiness. Seaweed reduces skin pigmentations and dark spots, while aloe vera reduces inflammation and soothes the skin. Pour a small quantity onto your palm, apply on damp face and work up a lather. Massage the face for a minute and wash it off thoroughly. Pat dry, followed by applying a light moisturizing cream or gel to seal the deal. Naked and Raw Coffee Face Scrub is a nourishing and exfoliating face scrub made with pure Arabica coffee and essential vitamin E, walnut and hibiscus. This scrub has perfectly sized particles that aren't rough on your skin, that goes deeper into the pores and open up the clogged pores for a clear, fresher and younger looking skin. It exfoliates and polishes your skin and even firms your skin. On a clean face, apply scrub to your face and spread it on the neck, avoiding any contact with eyes. Gently scrub in circular motion for 1 minute and wash off with cold water. Pat dry and follow it with an application of light cream to close the open pores. Use it twice a week to glow on. Naked and Raw Coffee Face Mask removes the dead cells and impurities from within, nourishing the skin pores with essential ingredients, bringing back your youthful radiance. This mask improves blood circulation and brightens the skin. It also removes excess oil from your skin and gives a cooling sensation. Specially crafted for oily skin, this mask works wonders in sucking out the impurities which lead to acne and breakouts. It reduces puffiness and even out the skin tone. It is also great for cellulite reduction. Clean your face with a mild face wash. Apply a generous amount of the mask with the spatula or with your clean hands. Spread it into an even layer. Avoid the area around the eyes, brows and the lips. Leave the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes. After it dries off, rinse it off with lukewarm water in a scrubbing circular motion. Pat dry. Use a light moisturizer to lock the moisture in. Get a natural glow effortless with skin-loving ingredients like rich cocoa, caffeine, argan oil and vitamin E, and let your skin have caffeine boost. Crafted with sheer brilliance, this routine is sure to give you the kind of skin you've always dreamt of. Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub with coconut and Naked and Rich Choco Body Butter with caramel. A scrub crafted to polishes the skin and deep cleanses your pores so that your skin is smooth and glowing. The perfectly sized raw coffee particles are very effective. We are gentle on skin that targets not only to the most exposed but also those hidden problem areas where the skin is easily darkened and becomes rough. With deep moisturization, this choco butter will elevate your tired and dull skin, keeping dryness, scars and uneven skin tone away. The ultra-rich mineral oil-free formula will give you the best intensive skin care and keep the skin deeply nourished. On wet body, apply the naked and raw coffee body scrub to shoulders and spread it all over the upper body. Reapply on legs. Gently scrub in circular motion for few minutes, focusing more on knees, elbows and neck. Rinse the scrub with warm water. Pat dry and follow with the application of naked and rich choco body butter to soothe and close the open pores. Massage the body butter gently and let it get absorbed. So guys, let your senses enjoy the aroma, smoothness and sheen of your skin. I hope you like this video. For your convenience, I'm listing all the products I used in the description box below. I love you guys so much and I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, take care and embrace wellness.